Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to remove password from a PDF file. If you have the password protected PDF file and you want to remove the password, then you are in the right place. So let's get started. The first step is to open the password protected PDF file in a PDF reader such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. Don't worry, this is the free software. Just go to any of your internet browser and search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now hit enter. Open the first website getadobe.com. Now first uncheck this little box and then click on download Acrobat Reader. Once the file is downloaded, simply double click to open it. Once the download and installation are completed, just click on the Finish button. Now click on Continue. Click on OK. Now click on the menu on the top left corner. Click on Open. Now select the PDF file from your computer and click on Open. Enter the password when prompted to open the file. Click on OK. Once the file is open, press Ctrl+P. It will open the print page. Now under the printer drop-down menu, select Microsoft Print to PDF. Now just simply press the print button. Now give the file name here and click on Save. As you can see that file is saved to the desktop. Now if I try to open the file, it will open without any password protection. So that's it. You have successfully removed the password from a PDF file. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.